What's good, my royalty family? Back at it again with another video. Y'all can see I'm in the Mercedes. But like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Support the channel. The channel's going up. Thank y'all again for 10,000 subscribers. All I need to do is get them 10,000 subscribers to watch every video. Then we are lit. But y'all know support is free 99. No cost. I just seen a wide body Challenger ride past me. But I'm not gonna hold y'all too long. I just want to update y'all on that there's a recall on SRT Jeeps right now. He did not tell me what years of the SRT Jeep. So as y'all can see the title and thumbnail, we'll be talking about the recall. But I'm actually headed to get the Jeep, pick it up from Jeep. I went to Westgate, Jeep, Dodge, and Ram. If you want to check them out, feel free. But I guess if you are in the Durham, Raleigh area, Wake Forest, yeah. So I'm gonna turn this camera back on when I get to the car and show y'all what's on the paperwork and what was the recall. Understanding when you have recalls, they take care of it because it's on them. You don't have to pay any money. But I'm turning this camera back on in a bit. All right, guys, I'm back in the Jeep. Let me go ahead and start it up. So, I'm looking at the sheet that they gave me. It say recall, performance open recall, safety recall V62 fuel pump relay. So they replaced the fuel pump relay in the wiring harness. They installed CSZ DV S2 to AA bracket relay. Then they have installed the CSZ DV S2 1AA wiring fuel pump relay. So recall. Put my seatbelt on. So if you have an SRT Jeep, you might want to look into your fuel pump. Like I said, that is an active recall going on for your fuel pump. So you got an SRT Jeep, go ahead and do your thing. I'll turn this light off. Make sure no cars coming. The sheet doesn't say what year of SRT Jeeps is actually having this recall. So if you do have a recall, just call them and ask them what models is having the recall, so you won't have to worry about it. Fuel pump is important because, you know, obviously it deals with all the fuel, and it might help you get better gas mileage, even though SRTs are not the best thing on gas. But it probably help just replacing everything with the harness and everything. Might help give you a little boost on gas mileage, but I'm expecting not a lot. But let me know what y'all think. What are you doing? I swear, when I moved to North Carolina, I think I learned that people in North Carolina cannot drive. But go get your SRT Jeep checked out. Make sure the fuel pump relay, fuel pump is working correctly, because it might be a recall. There was a recall on mine. My SRT Jeep is a 2012, so I'm not sure if there's a fuel pump recall for all the SRT Jeeps or just my year alone. But support is free 99. It don't cost y'all a dime. And I will catch y'all in the next video.